Starting lineup for Mapua, you've got Jem Cavika, Nicole Ong, Deandra Yabut, Frian Garcia, Alexander Liabres, Raisa Blanca, and their starting libero is Princess Rebustes for Letran, Hisky Flores, Yunolnil Padilla, Marge Napal, Joji Makilang, Gia Makilang, Berenice Colendra, and their starting libero is their team captain as well. Keeps rolling 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Joji Makilang. Off speed from Freyan Garcia. Silva, pinuntahan si Colendra. They will overshoot the target. First point.
Doon is kung sino yung maka-establish una.
Hinahanap mo dito kung sino yung mas may natutunan doon sa experience na yun, going up against the UAP teams. Nicole Ong.
Laking factor din yung leadership ni Nicole Ong doon in the third and fourth set.
Colendra pounds it in with a lot of power. We are tied to a...
Nabanggit nga niya, she's really looking forward to go up against FEU again. Kasi in their previous Batangas leg, hindi sila nakakuha.
Joji. Oh. This time, clipping the line. Brave. Padilla, naitawid. Rica Blanca. Silva able to pop that one up.
Oh. Great block there.
Yeah. Abang.
To chat with Coach Aying earlier before this match. And sabi nga niya, in that previous game against UP.
Rica Blanca. Gia Makilang,
Great
napayungan doon.
coverage.
Nice coverage there by Letran. Cavika. Pinuntaan si Leabres. Picked up by Lara May Silva. Nicole Ong finding a seam in the defense.
Nicole Ong, after getting that first ball, agad siyang umatras, no? Para maging option pa rin siya in terms of attack. Kasi yung tendency, pag ikaw kasi yung nag-receive, mawawala ka na sa option sa attacking. But still, si Nicole Ong, after niya kumuha. Great block.
Colendra sent back. Hindi sila makatawid pero that time, nagkagulo lang yun. Dalawa lang ang lamang. Free ball for Letran. Makilang, naitawid at naipasok.
Yung bola. And that's exactly what happened in the last 2 points. Bago siya nag-time out kasi hindi na nakukuha yung atake ng Letran.
Yabot. That was a nice set.
Yep.
Tumama pa kay Lara si Allen. Nailusot ni Freyan Garcia. In them. Yen Martin. Supalpal. Inaabot niya doon kay Nicole Ong. Ni Lara May Silva kanina sa timeout na huwag kayo dapat ma-intimidate sa block. May coverage tayo. Pero wala silang magagawa doon sa napaka-malakas na atake doon ni Nicole Ong. Down the middle.
Yep, what a way to close things off here in set number 1. That's your team captain for you.
Set, bagong players din. This set brought to you by Shakey's from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. That we've covered way back sa Girls Volleyball Invitational League. Like ito, si Tumayaw, dati sa, sa, I forgot what UAP school. If I'm not mistaken, sa FEU. Na naglaro sa Shakey's Girls Volleyball Invitation League. Ngayon, nasa collegiate scene. And now it's Yen Martin. 6-3. Letran. Reverse set. Morales went for it. Now it's with Nads Versus from the back. Jodel Netura with a lot of force on that one.
Improvement din talaga ng Letran The system much faster, much more consistent, I would say. But still, kulang pa rin eh, like you said.
And they are from different nationalities,
Yes.
diba? Coach Fabio is Italian, si Coach Alexi is Finnish ba?
Finnish, yes.
Uh-huh. Nakapunta ka na ba ng Finland?
No,
Di ba?
I wish. Soon.
Kayang-kaya mo yun? Oh, Jessica Esteban went for the save, but 1-2 play from Tambasakan.
Ooh.
Letran. Sino kaya chinicheer nila dito, no? Parang familiar sa akin yung nasa kaliwa eh. By the way, happy National Boyfriend's Day. So kung sino man boyfriend nitong nasa kaliwa, eh siguro napaka-proud boyfriend nito.
I think, yes.
Okay. Point taken. 18-8. Nicole Ong scored on the previous trip. Leabres able to get that one in. The way he commands respect to his players, the way the players respond to him. I mean, it speaks volumes to the kind of leadership that he has.
That's true. And also, he made mention na the system from where he's from in Finland to the system here in the Philippines is really different. Well, of course, in Finland daw, volleyball players are much more taller, more athletic yung build. Great response after that, Coach Alexi timeout.
Zero tempo.
Mataas naman yung bola and yung dapat gawin ng middle blocker, well, at least, in my opinion, is really umatras na lang sana para maging option.
Si pass. Garcia, ginawa ng paraan. Garcia ulit. Tumayaw. Reverse set to Judel Nitura and she scores back-to-back.
Not the best of sets there for Judel Nitura, but still found her way to adjust to that set and score a point, bagging set number 2 for Letran.
And Letran taking care of business in this second set. They win it out 25-13. Set, and it's brought to you by Shakey's from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family and pizza at Shakey's. First point goes to the Mapua Lady Cardinals. Bit of a mix for Letran this time.
Yes.
Nicole Ong towering over the net.
Great start.
Rica Blanca had to adjust. Gia Makilang off the block. 5-4. Mapua retakes the lead.
Great pancake.
Liabres cross-scored. That's hard in real time, no? I mean, you try to change the trajectory of your attack. Liabres, nakapuntos na rin. Very low-key. Just does her work. And isa siya sa mga matitinding players para dito sa Letran.
You know what, for some players, Ken, they actually wala pang naka-pull away so far.
Hulog. Galing dito kay Panangin. This is a pivotal set for both of these teams. Nitura with a drop shot.
Nagsa-side out.
Oo.
Hindi talaga makakaano yung kalaban na down by 2 points.
Kumbaga, creating some breathing room eh.
Yeah.
Nitura goes for it. She is denied.
Good. We don't have the luxury of a challenge here yet.
Panangin with a powerful attack. Lead is up to 4.
Alang nakukuha pag wala silang pasa. Hindi nila na-establish yung play nila.
Service ace from Fran Garcia. Rica Blanco to get to the second ball sana eh. Makilang. Napayungan ni Nicolong. Nitura.
Oh,
Off the
great
block. She was the one who covered it up. And now she converts off the block.
Very familiar offense. Yeah.
Talong A-pass. This was a decent pass, pero
Yep.
walang nangyari in that sequence. To make matters worse, they weren't able to set point na ang Letran. Nicole Ong hammers that one.
Yun yung hinahanap. Girls.
Buhay pa. Liabres. Makilang will put it through. Gia Makilang. An enormous source of points. Total of 15 markers for the Ilongga Gia Makilang. And it helps Letran grab the third set. They are now up 2-1. They win set number 3, 25-20. Nicole Ong puts that one through.
Kinuha na ni Coach.
But I think he has really embraced being
Yep.
here in the Philippines. You could really see that his player,
Their game against UST, nagbago yung tempo nila. So that's really a testament to the system of Coach Alexi.
violation against Mapua. It's an illegal attack. Letran looking to close this one out. Tumayaw. Si Tumayaw, pinuntahan ng setter dito. Ni Coach. Letran with a 1-point lead. Leabres. Oh man, that's an emphatic hit from Padilla. Nakabawi para sa Letran. Reverse set. Nitura gets it to go. Will Mapua stay alive and force set number 5, or will Letran finish off the job? Raisak Cablanca making sure. Multiple times we've been tied. Manangin. Now it's Gavika. Pinuntahan si Nicole Ong. Great dig there by Gia Makilang. Ulit si Panangin. Wala. Leabres. Makilang tumatrabaho sa likod. Tumayaw.
Oh.
Pinuntahan si Panangin. Leabres. Cross-court. It is in.
And
Tumayaw. Pinuntaan si Ian Martin. From the 5, Gia Makilang.
oh! Floor defense of Mapua.
Jutel Nitura pounds it in.
It's a better and faster.
Kavika mababa yung set. Tumayaw, pinuntahan si Nitura. Good thing she was able to cover for herself. Makilang napayungan. Kay Nitura ulit. Oh man, Jutel Nitura just powering through the block. Gia Makilang from the left pin, and she puts it in. Great recognition earlier by Garcia. Gia Makilang. Tambasakan to Leabres. Ay, naregaluhan.
Chance ball.
Good thing Zamudio was there to pick it up.
Oh!
Morales. Oh man, Morales. Just powering it. Batikang coaches in their respective squads. Pero ito, set point na for Mapua. Try to force a 5th and deciding set. Not just yet, says Gia Makilang. I mean, really? Siya man nagsabi?
Yeah.
I-fact check natin yan, ha?
Sige, sige. Baka mamaya ako
Baka
pala yung
niloloko
mali.
lang pala kayo, eh. Yan, Martin goes for it. Morales, oh boy. Morales has been a surprise package here for Mapua. Colenda is denied. Mapua holding steady, and they force a fifth and deciding set.
It's a great ball anticipation there from Nicole Ong and forces this match to a deciding set.
Fifth 5-set match coming up as Mapua holds off Letran 26-24 in set number 4. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. You see the leading scorers here, Rhea. 22 points from Gia Makilang, 19 from Judel Nitura, and 11.
Wow.
Reverse set, Raisa Ricablanca. Naihulog pa niya yan. Tumayaw to Judel Nitura. 19 points sa Letran.
And tatlo doon galing sa errors ng Mapua.
Practically shooting themselves in the foot.
Yep.
Oh! Bitin. 6-all tayo ngayon. Tumayaw. Pinuntahan si Gia Makilang.
Oh, still alive.
Free ball though for Letran. Oh, mababa.
Oh, chance ball.
Tinawid na lang ni Silva. Ricablanca. Leambres, man! Alex Leambres unfazed. To the strength din itong two teams na ito.
Yep.
The way, Mapua just piling it up for the Lady Knights. Ricablanca. Tumayaw, saan siya pupunta? Pinuntahan niya si Panangin. She gets it off the block.
Substitution for Coach Aying with 3 attackers at his disposal.
Nice pick up by Tambasakan.
Oh!
Kaya lang dikit yung second ball. Oh, hindi. It's a double contact violation against Letran. Leambres was sent back to the friend zone. Ito. Sumunod naman siya. Nakita mo naman.
Yes. Yun yung hinahanap ni Coach Aying eh.
Colendra.
Chance ball.
Chance ball for Mapua. Sa gitna ulit.
Great pass.
Nicole Ong ulit. Nitura gets the drop. They save 1 point. At maitapos na ang larong ito. Oh, an ace! Fran Garcia will respond nicely here for Mapua. Nicole Ong is now at the back. Nitura off the block. No! It is a successful block by the Mapua Lady Cardinals. And they persevere and beat the Coleo de San Juan de Letran Lady Knights.
Teams, but take a look at this block there. Courtesy of Garcia. Good anticipation on that opposite attack.
Off that storm and defeat the Coleo de San Juan de Letran Lady Knights here. And a lot of heroes from both sides. But Mapua, after that tough loss on a 5-setter against UP, they bounce back here nicely, figuring out in another 5-set match. But this time, beating itong Letran Lady Knights.
Of course, kudos as well to Letran Lady Knights. The effort of Gia Makilang, Panangin, and Martin, as well as other teammates all together, made it hard for Mapua to get this match.